the new Polariod Now Plus Instant Camera Generation 2. In this set includes a filter set. So the filter set that is included are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Includes the Starburst filter, the red beignet, the orange filter, yellow and blue. Let's unbox it. So hello, let's start creating. USB-C to C cable, the strap, more manuals. There's another box. I think this is wow. Oh, this is the filter sets. We'll open it later.
Oh, nice color. White.
Yes. Ganda ng camera. So this is the viewfinder, power button, the flash button. Ito para sa mga straps. You have the tripod mount in the bottom, the USB charging cable area. You have the flash. You have the shutter button. You have the plus button. This is the lens. This is the metering knob. This is the release button. This is the rollers. Let's open the filters one by one. This is the lens cap. Starburst. The red beignet. Orange filter, see the effect. It's the yellow. The yellow filter effect. The last one is the blue.